Standard 5 Subject English. Term 2 Unit 1 Hospitality. Hospitality means the friendly reception and treatment of guests or strangers. Hospitality first lesson gift. In this lesson we are going to learn how an old man treated by three different people in three different ways. Before going to the lesson, let's learn the glossary. Srang, an adverse reaction. Srang, an adverse reaction. Feeble, weak. Feeble, weak. Denied, refused. Denied, refused. Shabby, worn out. Shabby, worn out. Reluctant, hesitant. Reluctant, hesitant. Persuaded, convinced. Persuaded, convinced. Cruel, tin porridge. Guest, the person who is invited to a function or to stay at one's house. Twig, small thin part of a branch of a tree or bush. Disguise, to change the appearance to hide identity. Shadow, the dark area seen under an object in light. Let's go to the story. There was a beggar. Beggar means a person, typically a homeless one, who lives by asking for money or food. The beggar was hungry. He saw a big house and went there to see if he would get something to eat. The house was very big and luxurious. Luxurious means a state of great comfort. There was a beautiful garden around the house. As he neared the house, he could smell tasty food. He knocked the door. A well-dressed man opened the door. The man's face shrank on seeing the old man. Shrank means an adverse reaction. He asked in a harsh tone, "What do you want?" The old man replied with his feeble voice. Feeble means weak. "It has been 2 days since I had food, so please give me something to eat." The rich man got angry and shouted at the beggar, "Do you think I am running free food service? And get off here." The old man, with the same tone, requested, "Is there any left out?" The rich man said, "Don't stand here wasting my time. Get out of my sight," and slammed the door. The old man slowly walked away. On his way, he saw a lady from the house dropping banana leaves with food in the trash can. Trash can means dustbin. He saw sad. He slowly walked to the next house and knocked at the door. "Is anybody there?" After repeated knocks, a voice answered, "Nobody is home. Try the next house." The old man replied, "If there is no one, then who is answering me?" The man got irritated and opened the door and said, "Why don't you try the big house in the same street?" The old man sadly replied, "I tried, but he did not offer any food." The man asked, "How can you expect me to help you when the richest man of the village denied?" Denied means refused. The old man left the place. The old man was tired and could not walk anymore, so he sat under a tree and soon slept. A man in shabby clothes. Shabby means worn out or dirty. He woke him and asked, "Who are you? Why are you lying here?" The old man replied, "I have no food and no place to stay." The poor man said, "You look tired and hungry. Come to my home and stay with us." The old man replied, "I don't want to be burden to you. I just need some food. And And poor man said, "Okay, I just come and have some food with us." He got the old man to his hut. Hut means small house, single story or a shelter. The hut was very small and barely enough for the family. The old man saw that the house wouldn't withstand the monsoon. The house had no furniture but only a few utensils were there for use. The people in the house, a lady and two children, were very happy to welcome the old man in. They made him sit comfortably. The children sat near him. The man introduced himself and his family and said, "I am Kaliyan. I worked in the farm nearby. This is my wife Viji and my children Gobi and Ratika." Soon the children got close to the old man. They asked many questions and played with him. Kaliyan helped the man wash his face and hands. When the old man entered the hut, Vijay was ready to serve the food. They all sat in a circle. Vijay served gruel from one earthen pot. Earthen pot means sand pot. At first, she gave to the old man and then to the children and Kaliyan. After the dinner, Kaliyan spread out a mat for the old man to sleep. Next morning, the baker asked them to pack their things. They all couldn't understand why he asked so. They were confused. Before they could ask anything, the baker said, "I am not a baker. I am a landlord from a nearby town. My family and I were helping the poor and the needy. The old man's wife and son died 2 years back. Without the family members, the old man continued his service." The old man said, "As I grew older, I wanted someone to take care of my wealth and service after me." The old man asked Kaliyan, "You have to accept my requests and fulfill my desire." Kaliyan was reluctant. Reluctant means hesitate, but the old man persuaded him and his family. The old man was happy that his service would continue many more years even after his death. Dear students, what we learned from the story? We learn about to help the needy and to learn about hospitality. Let's learn the book pack exercise. The rich man dashed at the baker. The rich man shouted, shouted, shouted. Second one, a man in dash glass stopped near him. Shabby, shabby, shabby. Third one, the hut was very small. The hut was very small. SMALL, small. Fourth one, Kaliyan worked in a farm. Kaliyan worked in a farm. FARM, farm. Fifth one, the old man helped dash and dash. The old man helped poor, POOR, poor and needy, NEEDY, needy. B1, match the following. Garden, well maintained. Garden, well maintained. Trash can, wasted food. Old man, hungry and tired. Hut, very small. Gruel, earthen pot. Thank you.